everyone, hello from United Kingdom, and I just decided to film this like a vlog about this whole trip, like journey to United Kingdom and Morocco. So yeah, I just wanted to document this whole thing. I'm going to meet with my boys in the retreat in Morocco. So yeah, it's going to be a sick house, sick villa. So yeah, super excited to learn more stuff, excited to grow as a person and so on. So yeah, and it's going to be a 15 hours flight from Lithuania to Morocco. So right now I landed at United Kingdom, so right now I am in London, and I've been just walking here for a while because I have a layover of 8 hours. So yeah, and pretty soon, like in 1 hour, I'm going to be heading towards the train station and drive to a different like spot, to the airport, and then I'm just going to fly to Morocco. So yeah, I'm super excited. I've never been to Africa. I think Morocco is in Africa. Yeah, I wasn't that good at geography, but yeah, I think it's in Africa. So yeah, I'm super excited to grow, to learn more stuff, to grow as a person. And yeah, as he said, I'm going to be documenting this short trip, this short journey. So yeah, I just decided to do this because I also want you guys to also feel my journey. So I'll probably going to be documenting more stuff eventually, like in the near future. Sorry you can't see me. So yeah guys, I'm just going to update you soon, and yeah, see you soon. And I actually decided to show you some of the London. So yeah, hold on a second. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that, sorry. Yeah, I hope that you can see that. This place is awesome. Like, first of all, I fell in love with this country instantly. I don't know why, but compared to United States, I like UK more, like way more. I don't know why. Yeah, people are not that friendly, to be honest. Like, the bus driver wasn't that friendly. I asked him like several questions, like I was just, you know, curious, and I could see from his like emotions, facial expression, that he's just pissed. And yeah, and compared to America, let's say to Louisiana, it's just like way different, if that makes sense, because people are just like, in Louisiana they are way more friendly, and obviously the weather is also like better in America. But besides that, like UK, like London, I love this country, I love this city. So yeah, I'm planning to go back here again eventually. I really want to go here and see more of this beautiful, amazing country. So yeah, really good first like impression. So if you have never been to UK, to London, book that flight, go here, travel for a bit. It's crazy. Like I love the city. Like, I've been to some places, you know, in Europe, I've been to America, but so far like UK would be the number one. I don't know why. Probably because of this whole like buildings design, or I don't know how to say it. Also, it's super interesting that the cars are driving on the other side, which is like crazy and confusing, but it's also like at the same time really interesting. So yeah, it is like an unusual experience, I would say. So yeah, guys, I'm about to fly to Morocco, and I couldn't sleep for, I don't know, for like 30 hours so far. I think 11 hours maybe, because like obviously like it's so uncomfortable to sleep on the plane, and yeah, it's just crazy. So I'm super tired, super, as you can probably see from my face. But yeah guys, it's going to be worth it to wait. We just landed with the boys here in Morocco. super excited to see the villa. I'm going to show you guys how is it going to look like. And yeah, so the weather is great, the vibes are great. The vibes are great, right?
Yes.
The vibes are great.
Yes, sir.
The vibes are really great. So yeah, looking forward.
So fun.
We are in the villa with the boys. What's up, Luke? The weather is amazing. The people are amazing. The villa is amazing, as you can see as well. Damn. Really good experience. I want to do some grounding, to be honest. And I'm going to hop in this pool, but I need to do some client work as well. And yeah, super excited. There's going to be more people, so there's going to be Luke and Harvey. So yeah, super excited to meet my mentors. So yeah, and right now we can do some grounding. Awesome, amazing. Yeah, this villa is huge. And yeah, you know guys, like it just gives a feeling of real success and this feeling is just like super good to feel. So yeah, I recommend you guys, if you have a chance, book that villa, book that trip, because yeah, it's just super good. Hello again, guys. So it was a really nice day. We've walked in Morocco, in Marrakesh, and yeah, and also I scripted some content, I scripted some scripts for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to shoot a lot of short form content. So it's going to be a lot of reels. I'm going to film 30 reels tomorrow, so it's going to be short. So yeah, and I also have a sales call, I have a coaching call. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. Probably going to shoot some kind of podcast. I'm not sure. Other guys are planning to hop on some kind of podcast. So yeah, we'll see how's it going to go tomorrow. So yeah, and what I noticed in Marrakesh is that yeah, first of all, it seems that people are poor here. A lot of just I would say poverty. There is like poverty here, and some of the people are obviously rich. And there was a Lambo Urus near our house, so there are villas, you know, people are renting them or living on their own, but yeah, majority of people are broke, as I can see. And yeah, but you know, also when you go to street, when you go to Marrakesh, there are people who are trying to sell you anything, like not anything, but they're just like being pushy. And yeah, like I don't like that. So yeah, so I'll probably going to bed. I'm probably going to sleep, and yeah, going to film, going to continue this vlog tomorrow, this video. So yeah, talk to you tomorrow, guys. Cheers. Yo guys, it's my second day in Morocco. It was a really interesting day. I've filmed a lot of content, a lot of shorts. So yeah, going to be uploading the reels soon. Hold on a second, probably like next week. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of valuable content for coaches and consultants, and also like just in general motivational content, educational, all that type of content. So yeah guys, we are probably going to a city to eat some dinner and to relax a bit, because we all worked really hard today. We were filming a lot of content. So yeah guys, I'll probably film some of the moments tonight. So yeah, talk to you soon.
Hello, what's up, guys? So essentially, I didn't have that much time to film what happened yesterday or 2 days ago. Yeah, but it was super fun. Like, we've been filming content. In evenings, we've been going out. We also we went with quad bikes, which was really sick. And yeah, I'm going to add some footage. I'm going to add some footage of the evenings of going with quad bikes, and like obviously you're going to see more content eventually. I've made like 20 or 30 shorts here, so yeah, it's going to be super valuable content for coaches or consultants. So so yeah, and right now I'm just chilling, laying here on the sun. So yeah, that's really nice. Really like to get sun because in Lithuania there's not much sun at the moment, so it's hard to get just sun, you know, and sun is essential for humans' body. So yeah, so right now just chilling, listening to some music, going to fly back to Lithuania today. So it was 3 nights here, and yeah, so it's going to be 15-hour flight, which is crazy, guys. Yeah, but as you can see here, it's freaking beautiful. The pool is here, the villa, it is crazy. I love it. I love it. I need to go back here. Probably not to Morocco, but damn, having villa with boys, it is just like different level, different level. You can shoot content, generate ideas, you know, it is just crazy. Like for me, it was super valuable to meet with my mentors, to meet with other people who are on the same mission. This is probably the best decision that you can make, because when you go with people that are on the same mission, you can just brainstorm ideas, talk about the things that you like. So like with everybody, I just bonded really well, you know, like all the people was super cool, because obviously they are on the same mission. I'm on the same mission, and yeah, we just have the same goals. We share each other experiences, ideas, and yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. And also there was people who are way further ahead of me, and it was just like really awesome to listen to their experiences, to just in general, like it was super valuable. They provide a ton of value for me, and I feel that I'm a better person, that I want to make more money, help more people, change more lives. I want to become, I want to reach my potential, you know. So yeah, this trip was crazy, and yeah, so I'll talk to you soon, guys. I'll probably, yeah, because it's going to be like 15-hour flight. I'm not sure if I'm going to create more. Like I'm not sure if I'm going to film more content today. But yeah. So yeah, guys. Anyways, talk to you soon.
Hello guys, yesterday I got back home from here London, and actually yesterday was probably the worst day of my entire year. I got nauseous and it was really damn hard. So I vomited like at least 3 times, which was crazy to me. Like, and I wanted to vomit four times in general, but I didn't do that because I had flight, and I just put all my strength to myself to not vomit. Obviously, like I didn't want to vomit during the flight. So yeah, I tried my best to just like hold it for like whole flight for like 2 hours, and yeah, I succeeded with it. Then I went straight back to home with taxi, and then just drank some liquid and felt better like after like I don't know 8 hours. So in general, so I think that I got food poisonous, and I didn't film a video yesterday. So yeah, so it was like this whole video was a short one, a short like Moroccan like a Moroccan vlog. Morocco vlog. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want videos like that in the future when I'm going to be traveling, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the future videos. Cheers.